It was me did need this amount of attention and concern over Pussyclad. I'm sitting there. YouTube, where sang them actually there. Over where sang them actually there. At this, so me did need all of them concerns, yeah. All of this. Me did need the over where songs them actually there. Not over here so where liars them and the draggers them there. So you see, so we are not fucking idiot. Me hope you don't have sense and not come back to it with this bullshit. We know I know no pussy clock concern. None of that. It kinda annoying, I don't realize. Me always I go spin up on no bumbo clot. All I know I get up and decide to talk about me and make well not think of my business for you know one. But always I go winding up like some look up pussy clot talk here and let you look up on the internet. Me come and grown. You see me? And then me come here and tell people the truth and tell people so not just some bumbo. You see me? It's not just do it because potentially you don't think there's a lion. We are going to run up on the screen. The people that hate me not no money. Let me tell you now. The people that hate me don't have no money. Let me tell you no friend now. So you don't think the people that hate me rich and them are going to come drop 10 lion on no page. No. They actually don't have no money. That's facts. Since you want to chat facts. That's facts. Them actually don't have no money. So you actually try impress the wrong side. In a real life, that's what you're actually doing. It don't make no sense. You get me, I say too, no? Yes. No go, man. I see one of the people don't make them take one of the pussy clad food. Cause they know me not gonna give them a lion, you know. And me have some pussy clad people over here, so now give them a lion, you know. Me can't make me have some people over here, so you see once it involve bringing down me and disrespecting me, not even one rose, you know. Not even a rose. Not even a rose. You get what I say? Look pan in a man. What tell the people pussy clad? Ridiculous, big up your damn self. Ridiculous, I see that what you do you now. That's 8. A lot. Him locks them crumbling on head top a while ago. Me I tell you. Him locks them got Jerry curls. Him locks them turn Jerry curls in him head perm. Him locks them turn good perm and him see that then straighten out in him. Him not like that. You hear me I tell you now? A that a kasi. I no pussy them hate me for I post on the blood clot Instagram, on the TikTok yeah. And this, you see this, them sitting there cause problems. You hear me I say too no? Them sitting there cause vengeance and hate. Cause in the pan, what you call it? In the pan Instagram. You see me? Look pan in a man. And then get up and say, oh, a content me creating also. One thing, me just get up and just say some things. If people say some things. So you know, so me just can put up my content. So oh you say I did concern your concern. What you really say? And then you drop tune. No when I tune no concern no there. I this you claim you diss me. But your concern. Man go suck your mama. But concern. We know concern. We have categories of peoples over here where we support, in case you don't know. We depend here and we see people over here ball, tears in them eye. This a go on and that a go on and you say, no man, tappy crying, what fi do? Tell me what fi get done. You no see when time we as blood clot rankers over here. Find somebody who need help and I say, yo, tappy crying man, tell me what fi do. Ray. What fi deal with? Alright. You no see that. Because we tell you no, we don't bumbleclot entertain people at the cost of people expense. So you not go pussy clot see that. You not go see when we are help somebody. Because that's the cost of the people expense. You no understand that part there. You no feel like say my badge almost reach 36 because why you think me wake up and it did it? A September me dey on the app. We know there when time me go over Raja, me see Raja put in work. And me say, Raja, what you do? And Raja I say, yo, you know that lady a dog, me just there and say, yo, me a support her thing, Ray. And me I say, Raja, how me can help? And me say, me and my people them come in, we are go over Raja. And we you no see that. There was no screen recording of them thing, them my friend. That no screen record. You don't know what a good them a do. You don't know what we want do. We want bring down Gage and bring down Raja. That's important. You see me? We not show people say them there so help nobody. At this we want this them. They get to me I say? So at this we have got this them. When we say Gage we go back in the studio, people are gonna laugh. When you say Raja dress like girl, people are gonna laugh, make we diss them. But let's not highlight the facts. You know, say sometimes they help people. We have to say sometimes we help people. Because we're not blood clot, God. We can't get up help people every time. Every time we can help somebody. Don't skip a line, man. Skip a bumbo clot line. You have people where you help, people where you know in a real life. So how you skip them if you can't offer me a fake help? Move your blood clot. Over there, I talk about, yo, me nothing, me just say, when the youth make money, him fi be more financially smart and Ray. Wish pussy clot money. Me come here say me tell you no 1 million times say I never will $1 million in a Dirty Friday. Me never will even $500,000 in a Dirty Friday. And me do show fi all of them money there and I rob me get robbed. So when you come here so no one and I chat sitting with me there so and tell me people them every day and explain to me people man you over there chat. And that's why I get my mother and me tell her fi suck your mother not because you're relevant. I because me see you get up and make it with business. Make our business your business. That's it. Nothing else. Good morning, Roxy. You good? But you don't know that. You don't know that. You see me? You're not going to know that. Because you crutches. You look hype. You look lion. All of them sitting there. And that you really up to. But here, enough for that. My side, don't give me some bracelet, please. Give me some bracelet there in the morning. If you don't touch a little heart, you touch a little heart. You know we don't really sit down and talk about people because people are trying to talk about us. You see me? That's it. Yeah, my side. Trish, thank you very much. Sam's Roxy. That's it, my side. If you can drop it, cheer me up, them drop them for me. How much that? £6 popular. Yeah, man, make a run go up in a popular, my side.